Hi, welcome back to Ital Kitchen. Alright, that is not how I talk. Hi, welcome back to Ital Kitchen. Today, I found a big old roast breadfruit in the market, but the rain set up outside. Normally, as originals, Jamaicans, we build up a nice wood fire outside. You put your breadfruit on that and roast that, or a coal stove. But the rain set up, so I'm gonna share with you guys how to roast your breadfruit on the stove, right? Easy, just wrap it in some foil. I'm using this foil. It's really good because some of the foil paper them kind of not that wonderful, so they don't take too well to the flame, but this brand seems to do well so far. I don't know if I'm supposed to add here. This is not a paid advertisement. This is just the brand that I use so far, and it works, So you just get a piece of foil. The breadfruit here is so big, I'm not sure if it's gonna work with. I will figure it out. All right. So get the foil long enough to wrap around the entire brochure. Okay. And then some. And I like to keep the ends where I can it when it is on the stove, because when it has steam, I like to make it steam through the heart of the breadfruit. So I like to know where both points are, right here. Turn this over like so. Now bring it in the other side. Good, it's big enough. It is big enough to wrap it. Then what I do next is I just fold this in like so. Bear in mind though, if you need more foil paper, just keep on covering up the entire breadfruit. Yeah. So this is where the stem is, and then we do the other side. It is important to cover the entire breadfruit because it also steams while it is roasting. So it's a nice steam roast breadfruit. And it don't take long to do because it's steaming on the inside. It finishes pretty quickly. See how neat that is? And yes, I'll show you what it is. Just like a stove, both points are here and here. At first, when I put it on, you just put it on the stem point down so the steam goes into the harder parts of the breadfruit first. Alright, so soon come. Keep your heat medium. It'll take its time and steam right through, and it has like roughly 30 minutes maximum to steam roast this breadfruit on your stove top. And plus the foil, it doesn't burn. If you're wondering about that, if the foil paper burns, it does not. It rarely smokes. So sometimes you can roast the breadfruit without the foil paper, but it's gonna smoke up your entire house. This method prevents it from smoking, so it's really convenient. And we're gonna pair this with some ackee. I don't know, yeah. Welcome back. All right, when it is time to turn, it has been about roughly maybe 10 minutes since it has been on that side. So we're gonna flip it upside down now on the bottom. So be careful here. Use your dish towels, just hold it to the side and just flip right over like so. Yeah, so we're gonna make this stay for another 10 minutes, then we're gonna flip it on each side. Breadfruit roast, don't worry about it. I got you. All you need is a knife. Why? Sorry. Phew. Okay. You just need a regular knife, right? You're gonna find that, remember that stem part? You're gonna insert the knife into the stem. You see how easy that goes in there? Nice. That means it fully roast. Look how clean that come out. And we have the other side, which is the other end of the breadfruit, where we had marked the X. We're gonna find that place and just, you know, it goes in smooth and it comes out clean. Just do it on all sides if you care to. You can just test all sides to make sure all sides are evenly roasted, because sometimes you want half a breadfruit roast and half a kind of drunk on them someday. So when I come back, I will peel this breadfruit, dish it up, and welcome back, guys. Alright, so the breadfruit is done. At this point, it is hot, so be careful removing the foil paper. Alright, so even though it looks like this, it is cooked all the way through. It's just steamed. Just slice it down the middle. Yes, it is hot. I mean, just leave it to cool off a little bit, right? And voila. Sorry about it. Remove the heart of the breadfruit. Don't eat, well, in case you haven't had breadfruit before, don't eat this part. Just cut it out. And then you normally just slice this like so. And, soon come back.